Hello viewers, good morning to this session. I am going to talk about All About a Dog by A.G. Gardner. All About a Dog is a very famous personal essay by Alfred George Gardner. To put short, A.G. Gardner. A.G. Gardner was a great essayist, journalist, editor, and author. His essays were written under the alias Alpha of the Plough. His essays are highly provocative and thought provoking. Alfred George Gardner was born on June 5, 1865 at Chelmsford, United Kingdom, and he died on March 3, 1943 in United Kingdom. All About a Dog is a very popular personal essay of A.G. Gardner. In this essay, A.G. Gardner gives an account of a simple incident that takes place in a bus. The writer is traveling in. There is a bus. The bus stops. At the bus stop, two women and a gentleman get into the bus. The woman, who is dressed in sealskin, carries a dog in her lap. When she gets into the bus, the conductor of the bus objects to her coming into the bus. The conductor tells the lady that she has to go upstairs with her dog. Otherwise, dog is not allowed to travel in the bus. There is much hot discussion between the conductor and the lady. The conductor says that the law says that a lady cannot carry dog in a bus in the lower compartment. So the conductor of the bus insists that she must go upstairs. She must go top with the dog. But the lady is not ready to go onto the top of the bus. The conductor pulls the bell of the bell and the bus comes to a stop. The bus comes to a stand. Now all the passengers make much hue and cry. all the passengers oppose the behavior of the bus conductor. They are of the view that the bus conductor must allow the lady to travel along with the dog. But the bus conductor is rigid. He does not listen to any of them, and he does not allow the bus to move on. Then the lady goes atop. The bus starts. Now, after some time, the bus engine develops a snag. The bus comes to a stop again, and the lady comes down, and he enters the lower compartment of the bus. Again, the bus conductor objects to her coming there. He emphatically says that she has to go top, otherwise he will not allow the bus to start, to move on. And much intercation occurs between the lady and the bus conductor. But the lady is not ready to go top now. When the bus conductor compels her to go atop, she goes there and the bus starts. Now the bus conductor comes to the place where a writer is seated, where the writer is seated on the seat. The bus conductor feels triumphant of winning the case. He advocates that he is or he was on the side of the rule, and he insisted on the observance of the rule in the bus. Then the writer says that rules are just public guidance. Rules must be observed in a spirit and not in letter. There is much a storm, or there is high storm inside the bus. For this trifling thing, the writer is of the view that there are simple courtesies which keep the machine of life going on smoothly. These courtesies, such as please, kindly, top please, thank you, thanks a lot, serve as lubricating oil that helps machine run smoothly. The writer says that if human beings observe rules and they maintain courtesy, their life will be very good, their life will run smoothly. Thus, the writer describes a very simple incident in this essay, all about a dog, but it throws light on the observance of a rule in a spirit and not in letter. I think viewers must have understood the theme, the subject matter of the essay, all about a dog. Thanks a lot.